Hello, this is Chef Brad, America's Grain Guy from the WonderMix Company. And you know what? I have to tell you, I love my WonderMix. It's the best thing that's ever happened to me. It's great. It's everything about it. The blender, I absolutely love. The design of the bowl, everything about it, I absolutely love. And you know what the amazing news is right now? This machine is on sale for $179.95. You can't touch another machine on the market that has this power, German technology, blender for that price. Absolutely amazing. And all of our attachments now are $89.95. Life just gets better with the WonderMix. I love this and you will too. Now's the time to buy and treat your mom to the best gift you'll ever give her, a WonderMix and its attachments. Happy Mother's Day.